Good morning, my dear students. So, today let us see this new poem, If I Was a Tree. If I Was a Tree. Title of this poem written by Mudnakodu Chinnaswamy. Mudnakodu Chinnaswamy, written by If I Was a Tree. In English, first we have to try to understand title, and then when we see this chapter, a lesson, poem, whatever it may be, and theme, content, is it relevant to that title or not? That we have to see in these languages. And written by Chinnaswamy, If I Was a Tree, not a human tree. If I was a tree, he is what? Human being. Why he has selected this title, If I Was a Tree? That we have to see in this theme, we come to know. And introduction, here let us see Chinnaswamy's introduction. Chinnaswamy is a popular Kannada poet, basically Kannada poet, it has translated in English. Poetry is his passion, that is his passion. He used to love very much. He has also written several works in other than this what? Literature, means poem, in this poetry section. In literature, not only he has written this poems, apart from these poems, in this literature, he has written maybe what here novels, stories, short stories. His interests range from culture and theatre to social work. So, here interested in what? Culture and theatre, means very much interested to act, means in what? Dramas, play, theatre, to social work. Afterwards, he went to serve society, social work. He is widely translated into many Indian languages apart from English, Spanish and Hebrew. So, translated, so many his works translated other languages. Basically popular Kannada poet, and now we are reading in English, translated by Rowena Hill. Rowena Hill, that is the what here introduction. Here translated by Rowena Hill. If I Was a Tree is translated by Rowena Hill. She has translated several literary works in Indian languages into English and Spanish. She has translated so many Indian languages. What it is? Not only Kannada poem translated in English, even some other Indian languages which they are in their what language, she has translated in English and as well as this Spanish. So, that is what here we can see about this writers, translator and main poet Mudnakodu Chinnaswamy, basically popular Kannada poet and translated. She has translated so many English, other languages into what that Spanish, other Indian languages, poems, literary work she has translated in English. So, that is what her credit for our readers. Today, see this title, If I Was a Tree. So, let us see what you want to tell in this. If I was a tree, the birds wouldn't ask me before it built its nest what caste I am. See this on board, what caste I am. When sunlight embraced me, my shadow wouldn't feel defiled. My friendship with the cool breeze and the leaves would be sweet. Raindrops wouldn't turn back, taking me from a dog eater. When I branch out further from my roots, Mother Earth wouldn't flee shouting for a bath. The sacred means holy cow would scrap her body on my bark, scratching wherever it itched, and the 300,000 gods shelter inside her would touch me. Who knows, at the end, hacked into pieces of dry wood, burning in the holy fire, I might be made pure or becoming the buyer. B-I-E-R, buyer for a sinless body, be borne on the shoulders of 4 good men. 4 good men. It is so simple, easily you can understand. Poet want to picturize. Basically, he involved in Indian social system. What are the things we can see in social system? You want to keep in front of readers. That is the thing here. So, you want to say here, born, carry on the shoulders of 4 good men. So, discrimination in our society we can see. Here, caste system. In India, we have caste system, downtrodden people, what pain they have in their life, it is very difficult to imagine. People who taken birth in upper caste, they may not be knowing pain of people, underprivileged, downtrodden, poor people, what so we call. That I want to explain here. As a human being, what I should get in society, equality, that is not there. Suppose if I was a tree, everything that what a normal ordinary man is not getting, ordinary man not getting in society. But if I was a tree, that our freedom was there, me and everyone used to touch. That is the what here? Untouchability, downtrodden people, untouchability. In society, specifically in Indian society, it is there. People who have taken birth in downtrodden upper people, privileged people, used to not to touch those people who have taken birth in that downtrodden. That was there, but today, okay, today we can see some equality. But here, poet want to say, means he want to keep his inner feeling. So, directly in his poem, he is just explaining, if I was a tree, the bird wouldn't ask me before it built its nest what caste, means what caste I am. So, that bird, suppose tree if I was, that bird wouldn't ask that in which caste you belong. That freedom was there, that equality will be there to me if I was a tree. But now that is not there. Everywhere they will point out me, ask me. If I tell my caste, then they used to just move back. So, that is the thing here you want to tell. Before it built, bird built its nest, what caste I am. But today, everywhere it is happening to me. But if I was tree, that bird never asked before that bird to be built nest in that water, a tree. That is the what here pain is just telling readers. Then next here, when sunlight embraced me, my shadow wouldn't feel defiled. So, here shadow, here when sunlight embraced me. So, because of tree, please comparison himself and tree, comparison. If he was a tree, that sun light embraced, appikolluvudu, hugged me. Sunrise, this beams, sunlight used to fall on me. My shadow wouldn't feel defiled. Nothing but here dirty, dirty. Days were there, those were the days. Even a person who has taken birth in a downtrodden, not to go in front of them, in front of upper caste people, even that shadow should not fall on them. That was there on those days. For that purpose, means that was the reason he want to say these two lines. When sunlight, here sunlight embraced, sunrise means rays will not go back, will not move back. That light used to fall on me, and I used to enjoy with that what? Taking light and sitting birds. But see my position in society. everywhere discriminating because of caste. That you want to say. My shadow wouldn't feel defiled, something dirty. That here, as a human being, what they are telling, my shadow, not myself, my shadow should not even fall on them. If I was stray, if it is rainy, if it is hot sun, everyone used to come and take a place, stand, sit under this what? Tree. So I used to be so happy if I was a tree. Everybody used to come and stand, sit under what tree, and they can water because of what a shadow. They used to come and stand. But he is telling, my shadow wouldn't feel defiled. Means everybody used to come and take this water as a tree will provide a shelter for everyone. People used to come and they used to touch me if I was a tree. So that he want to keep in front of what readers. Next, my friendship with the cool breeze and the leaves would be sweet. It may be light, it may be wind, breeze, cool breeze. Wind will be so what? Cool breeze. So here, my friendship with the cool breeze and the leaves would be sweet. So I used to be friend with everyone. It may be birds, light, breeze. Everybody used to come and touch, hug me if I was tree. But present as a human being, I have to struggle because of so many superstitions, people who have filled from since so many years, it is running there in society. So that is the what here pain we can see in society. We can see how the discrimination is happening. So my friendship with the cool breeze and the leaves would be sweet. So freely, with lot of freedom, I used to grow like anything without any restriction. But what about in society? So called, we say, society, human beings, 21st century, where it is? When the matter comes caste, everybody used to what? Move further, far away. But if I was a tree, all the things used to come and hug me. So that I want to here say in this poem. Raindrops wouldn't turn back, taking me for a dog eater, untouchable. Here, lower caste people, dog eater, are untouchable. See, even raindrops wouldn't turn back, that like a shower, that drops used to fall on me, taking me for a dog eater. What it is here? Raindrops wouldn't turn back, taking me. So what it is here? Taking me for a dog eater, taking me, untouchable. Here untouchable, and also what here? Lower, indicating what here? dog eater means indicating lower caste. So, just remember here, indicating lower caste. Lower caste. So, once again I will explain. Raindrops wouldn't turn back, taking me for a dog eater. So, that raindrops will not be, wouldn't turn back. If I was tree, that the drops, raindrops used to fall on me, they never go back, turn back. So, that is the what here. But as a human being, what is going on, that we want to say in this. When I branch out further from my roots, Mother Earth wouldn't flee shouting for a bath. Please try to understand beyond of these lines. See, flee shouting for a bath. Even people who have taken birth in that downtrodden community, they should not take bath in ponds, well, because of their caste, lower caste. So, when I branch out further from my roots, Mother Earth, when my roots, if I was a tree, when I will be growing, my roots will be going inner and inner to take this what? Water. Roots will be going inner and inner, and nobody, means Mother Earth wouldn't say flee shouting for a bath. I used to take a bath, but here restriction, that if you are taken birth in this lower untouchable, they should not come to this what? Pond. So, that was the what here in social system we can find it. So, that poet Chinnaswamy want to say. Mother Earth wouldn't flee shouting for a bath. So, it may be breeze, sunlight, birds, Mother Earth, all they used to befriend with me. Is asking everyone, is it a sin that I have taken birth on this earth as a human being? That is the question here he is asking. Why this society is doing like this? Where is freedom? Where is equality? That is the what here question he is asking. Next here, the sacred holy cow would scraps her body on my bark, scratching wherever it itched. Itching. So, scratching wherever it itched. Even cow animals used to come and touch my this what? Stem, outer layer of that water stem, bark. The holy cow would scraps her body, cow, on my bark, scratching wherever it itched. Wherever that itching that cow, it used to come and scratch. So, even what the people think in Indian society, what we think, people think that a cow is a symbol of what? Holy animal. Even that cow used to come and touch me if I was tree. But as a human beings, they are what? Keeping me not to enter. So, that is what? Not to touch. And the 300,000 gods sheltering inside her would touch me. So, we think that here Mukkoti Devategalu means 300,000 gods will be there inside her, inside cow. We think. ಆಕಳು ಆ ಪವಿತ್ರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮುಕ್ಕೋಟಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕಳ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಕಳು ಆ ಇಚ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು ಆ ನನ್ನ ಗಿಡ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೀ ಟು ದಟ್ ಆ ಬುಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ತಿಕ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಹಿಯರ್ the 300,000 gods sheltering inside her cow would touch me. But in this what? Society, in social system, what the discrimination is taking place. I am really fed up with this. Like that, a poet want to say. 300,000 gods sheltering inside her touch me. Even what we say that all 300,000 gods will be there inside cow, that used to touch me without discriminating me because tree, because of I am tree. But as a human beings, what they are doing? So that is the Channaswami want to express his pain, how it is happening in our Indian society. Lot of restriction. So it is unbearable, cannot tolerate. So in the form of poetry, you want to keep in front of us. So next, who knows at the end? See, try to just imagine. Suppose if I was a tree, beginning, from beginning until to what? Decay. In every stage level of as a tree, I used to be benefited for each and every one. Is it wrong as a human being which I have born in lower caste? Is it wrong? Like that the questioning, he is just questioning us. So at the end, even at the time of death, I used to be so helpful and everybody used to touch me. But what is happening in reality? A real picture, in reality, what the thing is happening. So at the end, who knows, at the end, hacked, chopped into pieces of dry wood, burning in the holy fire, burning in the holy fire. Suppose if I was what? Dried and chopped. If I was a tree as alive, okay, I used to be help for each and everyone. Even after chopped, pieces, wood pieces, they used to take those pieces doing what? While doing rituals, ಪೂಜಾ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು, ಯಜ್ಞಗಳು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯ ತುಂಡುಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾನು ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾನವನಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕವಿಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಪೋಯಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫೈರ್, ಹೋಲಿ ಫೈರ್, ಆ ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ಯಜ್ಞಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬರ್ನ್, ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್, ಚಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಪೀಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೈ ವುಡ್, ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೋಲಿ ಫೈರ್. ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಬರ್ನ್. Those pieces used to just put in that what? Holy fire, means holy fire. ಆ ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ಯಜ್ಞಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಪೂಜೆ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತಾಗಿ ಗಿಡ ಮರವನ್ನು ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಮನುಷ್ಯನಾಗಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ, if I was a tree burning in the holy fire, I might be made pure. See? In reality, treating me that lower, untouchable, but I might be made pure. Apart from this becoming pieces of dry wood, that dry wood using in that fire, they used to make me what? Pure. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಪವಿತ್ರತೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಗಿಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು, ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಐ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್, ಆರ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ದ buyer for a sinless body. Sinless body, sin, sinless, papa, sin, sinless body, or becoming the buyer. ಶವಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, coffin, we say here coffin. ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್, ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ, ಶವ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ 4 ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈವನ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? buyer, means here while taking grave they use me to take. Box, here what? Box, carriage, coffin, ಶವ ಪೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬಾಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಸಿನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ, whoever they may be, any caste people they may be, at least at the time of what here, to take that body to grave, I used to be so helpful. If I was what? Tree. So that is the what here? Becoming the buyer for a sinless body, be borne, carry, borne on the shoulders of 4 good men. They used to touch, whoever they may be, that even at the time of taking dead body, here I used to touch them. Good men. What? Men, good men, whoever they may be, good men. Even at that time that As a tree, I used to be useful, I used to touch their what? Body. So, that is what here, sinless body, be borne on the shoulders of 4 good men. So, that is the what here you want to describe. If I was a tree, how I used to be treated, useful, touched as a human beings. What are the things I am facing in this society? It is unimaginable, unbelievable. So, he was lot of with full of enthusiastically you want to say how it is happening in society, social system. So, that is the what here pain we can see this Chinnaswamy through this water poem written by here, translated by Rovina Hill. It is in basically it is in Kannada, poet, famous popular poet Chinnaswamy, and translated by Rovina Hill. So, this is what here in this stanzas he will keep in line by line. We can see what are the pains he faced in our society, and if I was not human being, if I was a tree, what the liberty, freedom and equality used to be, even if I was a tree. But as a human being, what is the happening? It is what not imaginable. So, that is what here we can see in society. So, it is to be understood as a readers what we can, what the changes we should do in our society. So, remaining I will continue in my next class. Thank you.